Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best audiophile speaker cables you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many audiophile speaker cables and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each audiophile speaker cables so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying audiophile speaker cables. When choosing these cables, focus on the quality of materials used because pure copper or silver conductors usually provide better sound clarity. Pay attention to the cable gauge since thicker cables reduce resistance and deliver cleaner audio, especially over long distances. The length of the cable should be just enough to connect your setup without unnecessary slack, which can affect signal quality. Also, ensure the connectors are well built and fit tightly to avoid signal loss or interference. Consider shielding and insulation quality to prevent noise from other electronic devices. Finally, balance price and performance by choosing cables that match your equipment level rather than overspending. The right cable should enhance your system's performance without exaggeration. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.